Hi guys, if you have been trying to treat your fungal acne and pimples on your skin and it is not working, just sit back and relax, because today I'm going to teach you how to use Dettol Antiseptic to clear your acne and pimples on your face and on your body. Now this is Dettol. This is Dettol that I'm talking about. Dettol is an antifungal, antibacterial, and antimicrobial liquid that will help you to kill 99.9% germs on your body. Yes, so it is good for treating fungal acne and pimples on your body because it will help to kill those germs that are causing that acne and pimples on your body. It will help to clear the dark spot and give you a radiant and a glowing skin. Dettol is very effective in treating fungal acne and pimples on your body. However, if you do not know how to use it, there are some rules that are involved in using this Dettol. If you do not know how to use it, it will damage your skin. It will make your skin to go bad. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use this Dettol to clear your fungal acne and pimples on your face and on your body. If you have pimples like this on your face and if you have this one like this on your body, just relax, because this Dettol will do the job for you. It will clear those acne and pimples on your skin within 2 weeks of using it. But there are some rules that you need to follow in order for you to achieve the effectiveness of these product. So in this video, I'm going to show you, I will demonstrate to you live. I will show you how to use it, how to do the measurements to, treat your pimples and acne. Now, here are some of the things that you need to know before using this Dettol. First thing that you need to know is that you do not use Dettol undiluted, okay? Remember that you're using Dettol on your skin and not on the floor or on your sink. So you do not use Dettol undiluted on your skin. It is a no. If you use Dettol undiluted, it will burn your skin and cause skin irritation. All right guys, the second thing that you need to know before using this Dettol is that you should do a patch test. Okay, if you do not know how to do a patch test, leave a comment in the comment section and I will teach you how to do a patch test. Do a patch test on sensitive part of your skin like your thighs or maybe your arm area. Just do a patch test. If it irritates your skin, if it reacts to your skin, it means that your skin is not compatible with it, so do not use it. However, if there is no reaction, okay, it means that your skin is compatible with this Dettol and you go ahead and use it. Next thing that you need to know before using this Dettol is that you don't use Dettol every day. You use this Dettol 3 times in a week. Like me, I do mine Saturdays, Tuesdays and Fridays. You can do the same thing, okay? Don't use Dettol every day on your skin. When I was treating my acne on my skin, I was using it 3 times in a week. So do the same. Don't use it every day because it can be so drying. It will dry your natural oil from your skin. So this will lead me to the next point that you need to know. Now, after using this Dettol, the next thing that you do immediately is that you use your moisturizer. Use your moisturizer or your hydrating essence to moisturize your skin. This will help to retain moisture to your skin because Dettol can be so stripping. It can strip the natural moisture and oil of your skin. So the moment you finish using this Dettol, come in with your moisturizer or your hydrating serum, okay? Now the next thing that you need to know is that the day you use this Dettol, do not use any active. All right, do not use any active like your salicylic acid, your benzoyl peroxide, or even retinol. Do not use it because it will be too much for your skin to handle. It will irritate your skin. So any day you are using Dettol, stay away from your active. Okay guys, so you need clean water. This is my cup. Use a cup that you're not using, okay? So this is like a disposable cup that I put water. Have you seen the quantity of water that I put? Now you come in with your Dettol. This is half glass of water. So I'm going to use just one of these. I'm going to use just one of these. I'll put it. So I have put 1 cup of that Coke. See, it has changed the color. You leave it for some time. Then you come in with your cotton board. This is my cotton board. I'm going to show you here. I came with my clear face without doing makeup so as I can show you how to do this. So I will just pack my hair. So this is my cotton bud. I will use it to soak in the mixture. Remember that you have to wash your face first, okay? Your face should be clean. Use a facial cleanser to wash your face. Then after that, you dab on your face and the affected area. Look at this is it. You use it and dab on it. Don't rub it too hard. Just dab it. This will help to, cleanse your skin. It will help to clean your skin from fungi and bacteria that are causing those acne and pimples on your skin. Clean it gently, 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 so that you will not aggravate your skin. Just do it gently. Do it gently. Look at cleaning your skin from dirt and impurities, and also killing the germs that causes those acne and pimples on your skin. If you have this acne on your body, do the same, whether on your back or on your neck. On your back, you can ask anyone to help you rub it. If you can rub it by yourself, good and fine. So this is how you do it, okay? This is how you do it. You leave it for some time. Leave it for 10 minutes before washing it off, okay? Now you can keep this water. You can keep this water for 2 days. You can just put it in the fridge, or in your bathroom, anywhere safe. You can just put it in anywhere safe. Then you always carry it and use. After 2 days, you change it and put another one. I give it 2 to 3 days. This Dettol will help to kill the germs that is causing acne and pimples on your skin. It will help to clear your fungi acne on your skin, okay? Now remember that Dettol is so drying. So after washing your face, use a hydrating essence or a moisturizer. This is so effective. After washing it off, remember to use your moisturizer. If it is on your face, use your facial moisturizer. On your body, remember to use your body lotion or your body moisturizer. All right, guys, I'm going to wash my skin now. This is how to use Dettol to clear off pimples and acne on your face. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll be trying this, especially to those of us that have fungi, acne and pimples that have been struggling to treat it. Try this Dettol and come back with your testimonies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.